Great day to you. So here's 3 things within the Helium 10 software for Amazon sellers that you definitely should use today. And you have also free trial, free account at Helium 10, the best discounts in the description. So thing number 1 is you can turn on the automatic review request by Helium 10. So for each purchase that you'll get on Amazon, Helium 10 will request a review. Now, the thing is, some people ask is like, if Amazon already asks people for review, will then Helium 10 go against Amazon's rules by kind of asking again for a review? Well, no. Then if Amazon had asked for a review, Helium 10 will not ask for a review, and vice versa. If Helium 10 asks for a review from the customer, then Amazon will not. So that's a nice tool, because for those orders that Amazon kind of didn't or had not asked for any reviews, then Helium 10 will kind of be a safety net to ask for reviews, so they can hopefully get more reviews. The second thing within Helium 10 that you definitely should be aware of and use is the alerts tool. Turn on alerts for different things that kind of change on your listings. So maybe you've gotten a bad review, or maybe the fees of your product have changed. Maybe you're paying $5 for each sale, and then just for no reason, yes, it does happen on Amazon, kind of Amazon changes your fees from, let's say, $5 to $7. So then you can quickly react, like write down a message to Amazon or something like that. And the third thing you should be aware of is Helium 10 Freedom Ticket. It's a free course that comes with all the paid plans of Helium 10, Starter, Diamond, and Platinum. You have the best discounts for all of them in the description, free trial of Helium 10 as well. And Helium 10 Freedom Ticket is a course that explains to you from A to Z how to sell on Amazon, but also how to sell on Walmart. And I recommend you going through it. If you're a new seller, of course, then if you're an experienced seller also, you might learn a lot of new things there. So those are 3 things for Amazon sellers. First one is review requests, as I mentioned, automatic review requests. Very easy to turn on within the follow-up tool of Helium 10. The second thing is turn on alerts for different things within kind of Amazon, and you can get notified by email, for example. And Freedom Ticket, which is an A to Z course for Amazon sellers by Amazon seller named Kevin King. And it's in the description for you as well, along with a free trial of Helium 10, the best discounts, and even a tutorial that shows you how to use Helium 10 from A to Z. Hope it was useful. My name is Vova Evan, seller on Amazon myself, user of Helium 10, and I'm wishing you a great day.